Some people just love the character and the charm of a pre-war apartment, while others prefer a more modern, open concept so they can more easily entertain. What if you want both? And that's the beauty of apartment 6B at 20 Clinton Street. Old world charm with an open layout for today's living, with hardwood floors and high ceilings throughout, as well as a large open chef's kitchen with modern appliances and an in-unit washer dryer. You get it all. There's lots of wall space for your art, great closets, an updated windowed bath, and a king-size bedroom with room for a home office. And what makes this even better is that you get to live in an amazing neighborhood that is full of restaurants and shops and art galleries, and it's close to subways. So if you're ready to get the best of both worlds, why not give me a call, David Wagenheim at Brown Harris Stevens, and let me show you why apartment 6B at 20 Clinton Street should be your next home.